خذوا حذركم. Take your precautions. We mentioned this ayah. Take your precautions. The Muslim should be alert. He should not be like following whatever they say. No, I should know what they are doing. I should be awake, aware. This is the Muslim. What is the meaning of the hadith? I mean, what do you understand from the hadith? The Prophet ﷺ said, لا يلدغ المؤمن من جحر مرتين. The believer should not be bitten from the same hole twice. It means I should be awake. I should learn from my mistakes. But what is the problem now? It is not only twice, maybe 100 times. Subhanallah. It is from the same source, the same weapon. The Muslims are stabbed from the same place. Why? Because we don't care. We are not awake. We are not following the Quran and Sunnah. So this is very important that we should be awake.